Hello everyone, I am Mohit and I am studying class 12th and I want to become an NDA officer and I have 4 members in my family.
Okay, I will ask you again today same questions.
Yes sir.
Why do you want to be an NDA officer? Tell us.
Because I want to serve the nation. Uh,
Everyone is serving the nation. I am also serving. Sir is also serving. He is an engineer.
Sir, I like the discipline of army and the way of wearing the dress and the rule of army. I like this.
You like the rule of army. Can you please tell some rules of army?
Stand up in early in the morning and
What time? Early in the morning. 7 a.m.
No, 4.
4 a.m.
4
What time do you wake up right now?
I wake up at 5 a.m.
You wake up at 5 a.m. And next, any other rule?
And the second rule, give love to the soldiers and love to the soldiers and talk with politely to everyone and how
And
to
politely?
नहीं सर सोल्जर से पोलाइटली तो बोलेंगे.
Nini, I am saying, can you please tell the rules of army? That what rules a soldier has to follow when he joins army? ND officer I am talking about.
Keep maintain physical fitness and wake up early in the morning and yes, I have this.
Okay. Suppose right now we are going to appoint you as an ND officer.
Yes sir.
Everyone is listening to you. You have to prove in 30 seconds why we should select you among all the cadets. You have to prove that.
I am a good leader to serve the nation and if I am become army officer, so I give my all efforts to the nation to serve the nation. I promise you that if any war is conducted, so I can't stay पीछे नहीं हूँगा.
I will not stay back.
I will not stay back. And if anyone is losing their efforts and I will motivate it.
Can you please tell the full form of NDA?
The full form of NDA is National Defense Academy.
Where is it located?
It is located in Kerala, Pune.
Kerala?
It is might located in Kerala or Pune.
Okay, you are not sure about it.
Yes, sir.
Do you know who is the chairman or like the biggest post, the name of person, a director of that?
I know the biggest post, but and I also the previous who जो था उस पर
Who
was Sam Bahadur and it is the field marshal post. It is very high post in army. सबसे ऊपर.
That is the highest post in the army.
Yes sir.
Okay. Can you please tell if somebody wants to join NDA? So what is the roadmap?
The roadmap is keep discipline and
No. Again you are telling keep discipline. I am saying talking about like roadmap. कि कैसे बनना है?
हाँ sir.
Somebody asked me how to become an English teacher. Definitely I will advise them कि आप major in English करो, MA in English करो, ठीक है? You need to learn certain skills, certain exams आपको crack करने. So what we need to do?
To join the if you want to become the NDA officer, so your journey will start at 11th class. But anyone does not about the NDA officer who is NDA officer. So there are 5 subjects. एक तो physics, chemistry, math and English and general abilities test. If you crack the NDA exam, then will you go to the SSB interview. It is the 5 days of interview and it is the longest interview in the world, and they check your communication skill and how to walk, how to sleep, everything that they are going to test you.
Well, then let's put a hand together. Next, okay, let's put a hand together.